Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually clear the cache of your website, how to delete everything in your website, how to delete data, how to export data, how to import data, everything in basically like 2 minutes or 3 minutes maximum of your time. So first of all, make sure that you have opened your WordPress account. Went to your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. If you don't have that already, I've already made a bunch of videos, so what you have to do is check them out basically now or after this video. But for now, for those who are ready, go ahead and open the dashboard, and from here we will open this page. From here, now we go here and put your username and email address and click on log in. After you log into here, you will find all of that. What you will have to do, basically it is pretty simple method. What you'll have to do is go, for example, to all your posts, click in here, go to move trash. After that, click on apply, and from here up you go to trash and delete permanently. You do that to everything in your website, including the categories, for example delete, including the media, including the pages, including everything, literally everything. For example, plugins. So if you want to plugins, we click on here, we click on delete, we click on apply, okay, and apply again. Are you sure you want to delete? Okay, and select them and wait. Okay, and that. Now they will be asking you for each plugin by its own, so let's keep clicking okay, and yeah, by the end of the time it will be deactivated. And yeah, let's do something like that, deactivated. And after that, go to unactivate, and here we can delete, click on OK, and everything will be deleted. As you can see, now the Elementor plugin will take some time, and yeah, by the end of the time it will be deleted. The third method, which is going to your cPanel, and from there you go to your file manager, guys, and you delete all the WordPress files, and that's like that. You'll be deleting your cache, your data, and everything. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.